this video, we're removing and installing the right rear wheel arch molding on this Ford Explorer 2015. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. Right rear wheel arch molding, trim clips. Here are the tools that we're going to use for the job. A small 5.5mm short socket, a small ratchet, a trim removal tool. Start by using the small 5.5mm short socket and small ratchet. To remove all mounting screws from the right rear wheel arch molding. Once the screws are removed, open the door. After taking out all the mounting screws from the right rear wheel arch molding, firmly pull outward to detach the molding. Use a trim removal tool to take out any remaining clips from the right rear wheel arch molding. Comparison between the old and new right rear wheel arch molding. Align the clips with the holes on the right rear wheel arch molding and press them into place. Repeat the same process to install clips into the remaining holes. Final look after all clips have been installed. Align the clips on the right rear wheel arch molding with the mounting holes on the vehicle. Once aligned, firmly tap the molding inward to secure it in place. After the right rear wheel arch molding is properly installed, align the screw holes and install the mounting screws. Use a small 5.5mm short socket and a small ratchet to tighten the mounting screws on the right rear wheel arch molding. Once installation is complete, close the door.